We've sold more than 300 million Magic Sliders for a reason. We protect all the floors in your home. No matter what the surface, we slide and glide more than 3,200 pounds without leaving even the tiniest scratch. What's more, there's no end to how useful Magic Sliders are. Move that heavy couch and get rid of that ugly color with a fresh coat of paint. Create a flex space that changes with your family's needs throughout the day. Make rapid changes to make the most of the space you have, all while making it easy to clean and maintain the kind of hygiene you want. In fact, Magic Sliders allow you to easily move massive objects weighing up to 3,200 pounds. Because we know that furniture and appliances come in all shapes and sizes, so do Magic Sliders. There's a Magic Slider for every need, and choosing the right ones and installing them correctly will give you the best results. So now, we'll take a look at the different types of Magic Sliders and how to correctly install each one. For most Magic Sliders, the only tool you'll need is a tape measure. How simple is that? Self-adhesive sliders work great with chairs and larger pieces of furniture, like the sofa. Choose the slider shape and size that best matches the feet or base of your furniture. First, measure the foot across the widest part of its footprint. Next, find the Magic Slider size that best matches the feet or base of your furniture. In this case, we've selected the self-adhesive 38mm diameter slider. Make sure the surface where the slider will be affixed is clean and dry. Now simply peel back the cover, align the slider, and press firmly in place. Just hold it in place for a couple of seconds. You'll see how the self-adhesive sliders are basically invisible, disappearing, while allowing the sofa to glide with ease. Magic Sliders are also available in a reusable version, offering the ability to install the slider without upending the furniture. This is very handy for heavy items like this fully loaded shelving unit. Here, we have selected the 100 by 75mm reusable slider. For large items like this, you might need some help. To install, lift up the corner of the furniture just enough to push the slider into position, then lower the corner gently. It's that simple. Self-gripping sliders are perfect for round furniture legs. They are also perfect for furniture that have pre-installed leveling feet, like this kitchen island. For this case, we've selected the 27 to 32mm self-gripping slider. Like our standard reusable sliders, self-gripping sliders are easily installed without flipping the furniture. Again, you might need some help. To install, lift the corner high enough that you can position the slider underneath, then push the flexible black cup securely around the leg's base. Magic Sliders allow even the smallest members of the family to do their part to keep the house clean and organized. Concave Magic Sliders are ideal for the heaviest appliances, especially those with built-in casters. For this refrigerator, we selected the 60mm concave reusable slider. It's easily installed by lifting the corner of the appliance, positioning the slider underneath the foot or caster, and then lowering it back into place. Watch how heavy appliances glide effortlessly, making it easy and even fun to create flex space and keep your home clean and organized. Nail-in sliders should only be used on furniture or chairs with hardwood legs. These sliders deliver a very long-lasting installation, which is why you'll need a drill and a hammer. First, measure the diameter of the leg's base, making sure you're measuring across the widest part of the base. Our measurement shows us that the 30mm nail-in slider is a perfect fit. Nail-in sliders come packaged with a safety tip over each nail. Carefully remove before installing. You will first need to drill a small pilot hole in the center of the leg's base. Select a drill bit that is smaller than the width of the nail. Here, we used a 1.5mm drill bit. Next, position the nail tip in the opening of the pilot hole and hammer into place. That's it! The nail-in sliders mesh beautifully with the legs, and now this stool glides with ease. Like nail-in sliders, screw-in sliders should only be used on furniture or chairs with hardwood legs. For this installation, you'll again need a drill plus a screwdriver. On this square-legged table, our measurement shows us that the 50mm square screw-in slider is a perfect fit. First, make a guide mark for the pilot hole in the center of the leg's base. Use the slider as a template to easily mark the exact center of the leg. Select a drill bit that is slightly smaller in diameter than the width of the screw and drill a small pilot hole. Next, position the tip in the opening of the pilot hole and screw into place. Screw-in Magic Sliders provide superior hold, and like all Magic Sliders, glide smoothly across all flooring types. Properly installed, Magic Sliders provide a lifetime of value and possibilities while protecting the investment in your home's floors. Browse our website to discover the full selection of Magic Sliders products.